Hello guys, in today's video I will be showing you how to manage the notifications on posts, stories and comments on your account on Instagram easy and quickly. So first of all, enter Instagram, then click here on your profile icon, click on these three lines and then go to the notifications, and here we have this posts, stories and comments. So here we have the likes, so you can manage the likes of or from profile I follow or from everyone, the like milestones, the like and comments of on photos of you, the photos of you. So all of this you can manage it as you want. The comments, the comment likes and pins, the sticker responses, the comment daily digest, and that's it for today's video. I hope this is the answer you've been looking for. If you like this video, don't forget to like and subscribe, and see you in the next video. Thanks for watching.